Otomana subana noda Etegea dukio no Irotin kalo Fredi Biamukama lodere minister lo chichi loda Irotin nyeza balebe adobera pugana lemu ni bilioni na kaisangon lude beito da Etegea ram akoro rotongoni lode dola mairo na kwatareke da kaisakany anyono moroto akoda kinitoni kotido na park nepeka Kabongo district.
Officially hand over this road for construction to Uganda Matters Housing and Construction Company, which is 112 kilometer stretch. Thank you very much. Now we need these roads which will connect to other communities, but in case there is an immediate problem in over 80 kilometers, PPDF can be able to run there and restore people or attend to the problem. For the first phase, this financial which we are closing in June, we have put in 40 billions to work on the roads in 2 lots. Then later, we are going to put in 600 billions, which are going to cover the 2 southern kilometers plus come the next financial year.
Ide tupaitosi no akalo na ada ingare no nepekala yuaram adeloreba mams na ada Irotin nyezda ichebori tolitola keche swam na ada ruko kede ikokola kalu ibari no tumano kitui.
Security roads is something that are delayed. It is also something that are the cost that are escalated the question of cattle ransom. Because if there were security roads, immediately the raid has taken place. You define that coordination will take place and then the recoveries would be done. But the fact that recoveries are not done every time raids take place, this is something that is encouraging the raid.
One of the challenges that we have been getting is mobility of troops. Wrong elements take advantage of bushy areas, those which are not inaccessible, to commit crime, to plan crime, to hibernate. They use this place for hiding. Now, what we think is that troops must access all parts of Karamoja. How can they do it? One of the ways is to open roads to go there. So part of the place where enemies have been hiding are these places which are inaccessible.
Idare ngeta kinosiro tini lo epoteda gangi tunga otomano white na lode geta.
A situation where there are no roads in a district is a situation where poverty has totally eaten up the population. Because if the borders are open, normally we don't depend even on the government. When the borders are open, when food is not there, people are able to sell something to the border. Then they get food. They butter goats, they come and sell, they buy food.
But now, mobility will be simple, blocking will be easier, patrolling will be easier. There will be more of prevention now than waiting for problems. So we cannot preempt and stop. Troops cannot react very fast using the mobility transport. So it is now easy to access places which enemies have been using unchecked.
We shall not only stop on working on these Karamoja roads, we are going to add some roads on the neighboring region, that is Acholi sub-region, and the other side of State sub-region, so that we see Karamoja is connected.
Godfred Eyokum, TV East, Karamoja.